How are you feeling about this trip, Jean de Dieu?
I'm very excited. Yeah, I'm looking forward to having those machines home in our studio. Yeah, that's very. I think it's going to be a good job.
Big step.
Yeah, big step. Yeah, I think it's the first thing that we will have done. Yeah.
That's what they made. They made the king pay that?
Yeah. And they just said, okay, because there were some places which were reserved for the king. They say, okay, these places now belong to us. You are not the controller. You are not going to rule over these places. And they say, he kept them all that. It was a kind of not a king, but a symbol.
Yeah.
Silver market.
Yeah.
Ego mwamuriye. Sawa reka rero tugireho kuri atiri.
It's funny how the camera, the picture like bumps around a lot.
Yeah.
But with your eyes, it doesn't do that. It stays steady.
Why?
Well, I guess. I mean, I think that guy that studies the brain, he says it's because you have an idea of what the world is supposed to look like, and it doesn't bounce around. So your brain constructs the image so that it's stable.
You already know.
Your eyes see what your brain expects you to see. That's the theory, anyway. Sawa. Wow, it's very exciting.
Very exciting.
So that is the table that the sewing machine goes on. No, Fania, put the video. Yay!
Thank you, my God.
Wow, I can already picture it. Naweza kuitazama kichwani.
Yeah.
Don't know if that's how you say it. Great, I'm there. That's where the machines are. Hooray! And then once it gets started, and I'm back in the United States, I'll get pictures from Jean de Dieu on WhatsApp and Facebook.
Send them.
Yeah, and we'll see it all completed. Hooray! You got your little the little boxes of accessories and stuff are in there?
Yeah, inside.
Okay. Cool. Asante, Papa.
Hey, something now. Yeah.
Is she gonna lock up? Okay. Okay, very good. Hooray!
Ego.
Some Mutumba happening.
Eh. Ego ni hondi. Hari kibazo cyari kihari.
We got the key now. We are the owner.
Yay!
Yeah.
Anaenda pale. Now what are you working on? You can just, your dad was just working on that. You have no idea what he's doing and you can just continue?
Yeah.
Amasanga.
Nasema sasa babu gani?
Ya orohereje.
Gusa ahanini tuzewa ngomba gutari. Nje cyari ngomba gutari usubira.
Eno mopye, telefone yawe ni pasi. Ati, nekura ni ngomba ababa bara. Hey, there's another one.
He's sewing a gold line on either side of this blue.
That's great. First I used to use this one when I was a little kid. And then because we bought another sewing machine which is somehow high than this one, I don't use this one.
Okay, back there.
So it has been a long time without using this one. But
I see.
I find myself.
It's like riding a bicycle.
Yeah.
You'll never forget.
Yeah.
Murabizi ko abizi. Utaze kudufasha kwakirusha. Yeah. Rewind, select. Rewind.
What is he saying? The price for scissors? Should be 15? Okay.
J'avais envie de pouvoir.
It's comfortable
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
Ayifana yose.
taking the car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Utabajije nyakubahwa nawe. Niwe warakoze. Asha. Umva rero ufise amahirwe adasanzwe.
It is cheaper though.
Mwaje kundaba.
Cheaper?
Coming the car like this one. This is cheaper than
Ega wa mugambi ndara.
because you can just manage it as you want, however you want
Ndifuza
it.
kugira ati hariya ndahamenyereze. Hanyuma ndabona
Instead of
hameze
buses.
neza.
Yeah.
You squeeze and you have to take it.
Oh,
to
yeah.
cycles from
Well,
there up and
okay.
here and
It's more money, but it's more comfortable.
it's more comfortable.
Yeah.
Ngaca ngarukina
You get what you pay for, as they say.
ndakiri yino.
Where you at?
Anyway. Narahejeje.
And here come the drinks. Alright, I gotta stop. I'm taking videos of like everything now. Take a goodbye video now, okay?
Yeah, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Asante sana.
Emuheza gigo.
Tutaonana tena.
Ego, imana ibishatse.
Ego. Bye bye, mama.
Bye.
Tell her I hope she feels better.
Yeah, uzokire neza. Yeah.
Sawa. Mama. Thank you, John.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, we're ready to go. Hello, taxi on the road.